Scalable Capital robo-advisor honest review. Watch before using investing can be intimidating, and most people get it wrong by overcomplicating strategies or paying high fees. Scalable Capital offers automated investing with risk management, but is it the right choice? Scalable Capital is a digital wealth management platform that builds personalized portfolios based on your risk profile and goals. It uses algorithms to optimize asset allocation and manages investments automatically, including rebalancing and tax optimization. For example, a user in their 30s seeking long-term growth can input their risk tolerance, and the robo-advisor will allocate a mix of ETFs across global equities and bonds to maximize returns while minimizing volatility. The surprising truth is that robo-advisors like Scalable Capital can outperform self-managed portfolios for many investors because they consistently apply risk controls and avoid emotional decision-making. However, fees apply, and while lower than traditional advisors, they can impact returns for smaller accounts. Some advanced investors may prefer manual control over individual assets. In conclusion, Scalable Capital is an excellent option for beginners and busy professionals looking for automated, disciplined investing with risk management built in. Subscribe now for more honest finance and investment reviews.